Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make upma with suji. So come on, let us start the recipe. If you like my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. So I have taken so much suji, some chana dal, curry leaves, chili and onions cut up, tomatoes also cut up into fine pieces, rye and salt to taste, and some oil. Put the suji in and broil it. The suji is broiled. Now I'll move it out from the karai. Put in the oil. Put the rye. Put in the chana dal. Put in the cut up onions and chilies. Put in the curry leaves. Put in the cut in fine tomatoes. Put some water. Put in the salt. I will let the water boil. The water is boiling with the onions, tomatoes, curry leaves. Now I'll put in the suji, and I will put the suji in this way and keep on stirring it. Suji upma is ready to be eaten. Thank you for watching my video.